On the occasion of Global Wind Day, our student, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kasi Institute of Technology, has celebrated this day through a poster presentation. Here are the glimpses of the poster made by the students of Department of Mechanical Engineering at Kasi Institute of Technology, Varanasi. This competition has helped the student to create awareness about the wind energy and the way we can use the wind energy for our future generation. This is a good initiative that our student has taken it, and we wish them a very successful future ahead. Thank you.